Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ninja Forms. First, let's get Ninja Forms installed on your WordPress website. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, find Plugins, and then click Add New. In the search bar, type Ninja Forms, click Install Now, and then Activate. This simple process takes less than 1 minute and sets the foundation for building powerful forms. Now that Ninja Forms is active, let's create your first form. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Ninja Forms and select Add New. You can choose a blank form or a helpful template, such as a contact form. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop builder to add fields like name, email, and message. Remember to click on each field to customize its label and other important settings. After building your form, it's time to configure its settings and actions. Navigate to the Emails and Actions tab to set up email notifications for submissions. You can customize the success message users see or redirect them to a new page. Explore display settings to control the form's appearance and consider adding reCAPTCHA for robust spam protection. Let's explore some advanced features and publish your form. Conditional logic allows fields to appear or disappear based on user input, creating dynamic forms. Ninja Forms integrates with over 1,000 services through Zapier, expanding its capabilities. To publish, simply use the Ninja Forms Gutenberg block or copy and paste the shortcode into any page or post. Always preview your form before making it live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.